Here are 5 of the 6 noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon. They're all colourless and transparent. Krypton and xenon form compounds only with difficulty. Helium, neon, and argon don't form compounds at all. As we descend the group in the periodic table, the atomic number and the relative atomic mass increases. The gases get denser. Helium is lighter than air. Neon is just lighter. Argon and krypton, I've just got to unstick these from the anchorage for a moment. Argon and krypton are both heavier than air. And xenon is the heaviest of the lot. You've heard of a lead balloon? Well, this is it.